In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Camera on Samsung Galaxy A16. Tap on Google, search here Gcam for Samsung Galaxy A16. Tap on this website gcamapk.io. Simply scroll down, skip the ad, scroll down, tap on download BSG Gcam. Again scroll down. Here you get the multiple Gcam version for Samsung phones. I will simply download the Shamim SD Cam. Tap on details. Here you can see Gcam is downloading. Now APK file is installed. Simply tap on it. Tap on install. Tap on more details. Tap on install anyway. Now Gcamera is installed in my device. I will simply open it. Grant the permission. Tap on this toggle to allow the file access. Now go back. As you can see, Gcam is installed in my device. So this is how you can download and install Google Camera on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.